Hi, we are going to talk about 3 terms today. They all talk about how animals give birth. All right. So the first one, they're all oviparous, viviparous, ovoviviparous. Got all that? Oh my goodness. There are 3 different classifications of how animals give birth. So oviparous animals, they have internal or external fertilization. They receive nutrients to the embryo from the egg yolk. So each one of these eggs here, whether it's an insect or a reptile or a bird or an amphibian or a fish, the animal inside the egg gets nourishment from the egg, from the yolk. So the females lay the eggs, and then the offspring are hatched or born from the egg. Examples, like I said, are insects, amphibians, fish, reptiles, and birds. Oviparous. Viviparous are animals that have internal fertilization, so they receive nutrients from the mom inside the mother's womb. So obviously then they have to give live birth because the mom is nourishing them from the womb, then they give live birth. So examples are mammals. Babies are born live from the mother. So here this would be a placental mammal. The elephant has the baby inside, and then the mom is nourishing that baby as it's growing. It's giving birth. This is a kangaroo. That's a marsupial. So it has live birth, but the embryo is born very, very, very immature, premature. Like it's born like this big, like a jelly bean size, and then it gets nourishment from the mother till it grows into a joey. Viviparous. Ovoviviparous. Those are a little bit more rare. So when the living young are born from the eggs, so what happens is you have internal fertilization. The animals develop inside the mother, but they develop inside the mother as an egg. So the mom lays the eggs then, and then they hatch from the eggs. They're more rare. So if you ever see a fertilized egg from an animal being hatched, that would be an example of ovoviviparous. So examples are some insects, some sharks, the rays, and some snakes would be examples of that. So basically the mom carries these fertilized eggs inside of her, and they get the nourishment from that. Ovoviviparous. So those are the 3 different ways that animals give birth. Let me know if you have questions. Make sure you read that article and answer the questions on there.